What's up, what's poppin'? It's your girl Nation the Shade, the best period, and I'm back with another video.
Of course it.
If you don't know me, my name is Nation the Shade. I'm a 20-year-old from Louisiana, and we talk about health, beauty, lifestyle, how to get that bag, all that, how to glow up, period, on my channel. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button, like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and comment down below telling me what y'all want to see next. Alright, so boom, y'all already know the drill. I got my phone right here. I'm gonna be giving y'all the tips and tricks on how to stay fresh all day, and not for no man, baby, period, just for you. I took notes just so that I don't get like off track or anything. So basically we're gonna work our way down from head to toe, starting with my face. I don't want to say I have breakout prone skin, but my skin will break out if I'm like not taking care of it how I'm supposed to be. I use the Aveeno Clear Complexion to wash my face and all of that kind of stuff, and I do use the moisturizer as well. These two actually kind of like work the same. The difference between the two is Aveeno Foaming Cleanser has salicylic acid, which is an acne treatment, and it has soy extracts, so it gently cleanses for breakout prone skin. I do use that when I first get up in the morning. Use this other one, which is the Aveeno Brightening Cleanser. It helps even skin tone and texture, and as y'all know, my skin is sensitive, so I basically need to use both of these, and both of these together are a dream team, period. So after I cleanse my face or whatnot, I use this Ageless Skin Hydrating Serum with hyaluronic acid and honey and aloe in it. Definitely smooths out the skin and preps it for my moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I use is the Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer with the salicylic acid acne treatment, and it has tone correcting in it, and it's been helping with my acne and all of that. Since y'all know me, y'all know I love to wear makeup. I don't wear it too often, but I do like to wear makeup, and when I'm removing my makeup, I like to use the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. And I really like these wipes because they don't leave your skin like feeling super dry after. They're actually very moisturizing, so I would definitely recommend these. Another thing that I like to do, like concerning my whole skincare routine, I definitely like to do mask at least twice a week. 3 of my favorite all-time masks would definitely have to be the Clear Proof by Mary Kay, Feeling Beautiful by Freeman. Moving on to the mouth, you already know, brush your teeth, brush your tongue. If you did not know, brush your tongue. That's where all the bacteria is, and we don't need no bacteria. You don't want to be all in your boo face, your breath stink. Like, come on now. Like, I used to use the Act mouthwash, but I currently switched to Listerine because I moved to a new city, right? And this Walmart up here doesn't have the Act, but I used to use it because it doesn't have like too much alcohol in it, and it doesn't like burn your mouth. But I had to switch to Listerine because it was the next best thing, you know. I want to tell y'all this because some people like really don't know this, but you have to floss. You need to floss your teeth because it still be food in your mouth. It still be food. It still be like all that nasty stuff in your mouth. Like some bacteria just be hiding. Like you need to get you some floss and really, okay? And also make sure y'all switching y'all toothbrushes. Like I think it's every 2 to 3 months. I do mine in between the 2nd and 3rd month, but just make sure you're switching your toothbrush out. The toothpaste that I use is by Colgate Max Fresh. Then boom, I'm pretty sure everybody knows what Listerine looks like. And then for my floss, I just use the Glide by Oral-B. Best to brush twice a day. It's actually 3, but you know, if you're a busy person like me, twice should be good enough. Since we're already on the topic of our mouth, I'm just gonna tell y'all that it's very important to do lip scrubs and all of that especially if you have chapped lips. You should definitely try sugar scrubs. I actually make mine myself. I just put sugar and some coconut oil, mix it together, and like literally just scrub my lips like this. After I'm done, I just go in with some Vaseline, the lip therapy one. Just go in with that after I'm done, and then lips just be as soft and plump. Now moving on to the body yaddy yaddy period, my favorite part. So boom, I'm gonna show y'all my shower routine from when I jump in there to when I jump out. First, when I get in the shower, I just like to really just sit there and enjoy the water. I don't know if I'm the only person who does that, but I like to sit there, enjoy the water for a second, just get my whole body just warmed, and like I like to relax first. Next thing I like to do, I did go out and buy a new one. I buy new what are these called? I'm gonna call it a loofah. I buy new loofahs probably every month.
Stop the cap.
Maybe every 2 weeks. When I get in the shower, depending on how I feel, I like to clean my whole body first. My favorite body washes right now, this one has to be ranked #1. It's by Olay. It's a cleansing and brightening body wash with vitamin C and B3 in it. If I'm not using that, I'm using a Dove Relaxing Care Nourishing Body Wash, the shea butter and vanilla one. And last but not least, the coconut coffee scrub and wash. It helps to soften your skin. It has like the little coffee scrubs in there, and it has coconut oil, so it's hydrating and smoothing. I'm definitely that type of person who will go to Walmart just to like re-up on body washes and all of that, because my shower time is my favorite time. It's like my very intimate moment with myself where I could just be for myself, and I love that. And if you don't love that, then you need to go. Yeah, after I wash my body, I like to wash the cookie. I don't be washing Miss Mama's down there with no anything, okay? I don't use them intimate washes, no Summer's Eve, no none of that, because if you look on the back, it's just some stuff in there that I just don't agree with. I just use a baby wash, and it definitely does the job. It's a very soothing and soft wash down there, if that makes sense. Like, it's not rough basically, and it's not harsh. I'm gonna say this: don't be putting stuff inside of your cookie. It cleanses itself, okay? If you're eating the right things, drinking a lot of water, probiotics, a lot of good things, then you shouldn't have to do too much to your cookie. Word from my mama, period. The next step that I do, I like to go in and I like to do a body scrub. I like to use the Sugar Scrubs by Tree Hut. Right now, I'm using the Tahitian Vanilla Bean Shea Sugar Scrub by them. I'm pretty sure every girl probably uses this. I have tried the Dove one out. It did pretty well. It was the polishing body scrub. It was okay, but this one is a real OG, and this one gonna get your body real smooth and prepared for shaving, prepared for your lotion, prepared for all of that kind of stuff. And it definitely takes off all the dead skin, and we want a new layer of skin so you can have that smooth, soft finish every time you get out the shower. And to have that, this right here will give you that. Don't say I didn't put y'all on. After I scrub, I just shave every now and then when I need to, and I honestly don't even need to shave often when it comes to my legs. But when it comes to shaving, I just use some coconut oil, and I use a razor, and I just go against the grain when you're shaving your legs, just so you get like a clean cut. Also, they say it's better to use a men's razor rather than a women's razor, just because it has more blades on it and it'll get like a cleaner cut. When it comes to shaving my underarms, I like to do the same thing. I just like to put my scrub under there, and then I put some coconut oil on there, and then I either shave or I like to get those waxed. But lately I've just been shaving them. Like, it doesn't really matter to me underneath my arms because they don't look that bad. When it comes to shaving the cookie, do I prefer waxing or shaving? I prefer waxing. Personally, I do not shave down there. I don't like ingrown hairs down there. I don't like razor bumps or none of that. I don't like none of that down there. I need it to be smooth. When I used to shave, like, it would just like, when the hair would grow in, it would be just a pain in the butt. So I do not shave down there. It's just really annoying. Now that we've worked our way down the body, last thing we're going to talk about is our feet. So I do like to go get my feet done pretty often. I say like probably maybe every 2 weeks. I'll give it 2 weeks. But in between those 2 weeks, I do like to use this. It's kind of like a pumice stone. Use this like on the bottom of my feet like this. I just put some coconut oil. I use my Olay and I just squirt it on here, and I just like really scrub the bottom of my feet because I do dance, and sometimes I dance barefoot, and it's very important for me to take care of my feet. So yeah, and on top of that, I feel like it's just really relaxing to do that anyway. It leaves my feet feeling super duper soft when I get out the tub and prepare for me to put some lotion on there. And then once I put my lotion on there, I put my socks on. But we're gonna talk about the lotion in a second. After I get out the shower, depending on how dry my skin is feeling, I'll either like just really leave the coconut oil on there and just kind of get out the shower and just dry off, and the coconut oil will be enough. But lately I have been using the cocoa butter formula with vitamin E. I've been mixing it with the Johnson's aloe and vitamin E oil gel, and I just mix these together, and legs be feeling soft, smooth, literally for probably about 3 days. Like, I don't really have to moisturize my legs often because this stuff right here, this combo, it's the truth, and like really gets underneath the skin because you just scrub and it's a whole new layer of skin. It's really gonna be really soft, y'all. If you don't use this already, definitely try this out and let me know how it works for you in the comments. After I get out the shower, for my underarms, I just use the Dove in the powder. And I heard the aluminum free deodorant is like the move right now because something about the aluminum is like really messing with people's pores or whatnot. So I'm gonna try the aluminum free deodorant next, and I'll show y'all how that works for me. Depending on if I'm about to go somewhere or even if I lay down, sometimes I just like to smell good anyway. I like to go in with my Victoria's Secret sprays. Now, don't get me wrong, Bath and Body Works, I used to be that kind of chick, okay? I used to be that type of gal. But they just don't last long. Like, I don't like spraying continuously like throughout the day. I just don't like doing that. So basically, I don't want to say like a waste of money because they actually do have some pretty good scents, and trust me, I got some Bath and Body Works down there, but they just don't last long. So I'm gonna give y'all a tip on how to make y'all perfume last literally all day. You take your gel, you take your oil gel, you put like a little bit on your finger, rub it here, here, here. Everybody knows what champagne toast is. So basically, I just put the baby oil gel on, and then I just spray, and then I rub it in, and it literally lasts all day. But when I don't have time to do that and I'm just like really in a rush, I use my grown woman stuff, okay? The Bronze Coconut Mist and the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. I recently picked up some new items. This is like an all-around product, but I basically use it for that front part of the cookie. I basically use this for that. It's just a mask for the cookie, and basically you just put it on there. It's a brightening mask. It has turmeric in it, and it's a gentle exfoliant, and it tones. So basically, you don't even just have to use this on the cookie. You can use it underneath your arms, on your knees, elbows, wherever you feel like you're just dark at and you want to brighten it up. This is definitely a game changer, and it will definitely help you out. I picked up something else from her company. I picked up some cookie wipes just because, like, when you're out on the go, you don't really want to use public tissue or like any of that So I just keep like a couple of these in my purse wherever I go. And a good thing about this company, everything is like 100% natural, and I love that. Right now I'm just gonna go a little more in depth with it. For me personally, how I keep my pH balance at a good level, I basically just drink a whole bunch of alkaline water. To take probiotics as well, you know, that have like cranberry in them. These are the ones that I take. I just take one a day. I also got these from the Cookie Wash lady. I do eat a lot of yogurt, like the plain yogurt. Sometimes I'll get like some strawberries, slice it up, put it in my yogurt, eat that for like breakfast or something like that. And on top of that, while we're on the topic of that, you definitely have to eat healthy too. While we're on the topic of vitamins and all of that, I do recommend for y'all to take y'all vitamins. I take multivitamins by Vitafuse. These are just, I'm not even sure, they're just everyday vitamins. They're very effective in my opinion. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys found this video very useful, just because a lot of us do a whole bunch of stuff differently, and I know what works for me probably won't work for you, and what works for you probably won't work for me. But it's okay to try, right? That's what I'm here for, just to put y'all on some new things so that we can be fresh all 2021, period. Just take care of yourself. You only get one body, okay? You only get one body, so take care of it to the best of your ability. And that's all that I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big old like, because it helps me out a lot. And comment down below telling me what y'all want to see next, and last but certainly not least, subscribe so you can become a part of the game. That's on period. Stay safe out here and definitely take care of y'all self, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.